Hey guys, this is Eddie with WTI. Now, if you're looking for a healthy deodorant, Humble Brands is the way to go. And the reason why I say that is because it only has 4 simple ingredients. And as you can see right here on the label, it says nothing bad, which means that there's no artificial fragrances, there's no dyes, there's no alcohol. All it has is essential oils and natural ingredients. This scent particular is Palo Santo and Frankenreiter, which are essential oils, and let me tell you, it smells fantastic. It's one of my favorite scents. Now I bought a 3-pack, I've already gone through one, so I got 2 left, and I love it, absolutely love it. Now, whenever you put it on, you're gonna notice that it does have like this white, glossy look to it, but it doesn't leave any residue on your clothing, which is fantastic. Especially in my case. I hate whenever you put some other deodorants on and it always leaves that like the white flaky here. It doesn't do it with this. This is all natural, smells fantastic, and it's good for your body. So I highly, highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.